Hello and welcome guys to TechCode. As you have seen in the thumbnail of this video, in this video we will learn how to add a button through which you can grow from one activity to another activity. It is not so hard but not so easy also. So we will not waste more time. Look at the left side of your window of the Android Studio. You can see a folder named resources. In that drawable folder, in that new, and simply click on drawable resource file. Here I am creating this file just to design my button of the Android Studio. This step is totally optional. If you don't want to add this step, you can skip this step, and it's not necessary also to just design your button, but I just want to make my button decorative, so I'm adding this file. Yes, button.xml, this is the name. And if you are doing this step, be sure to change this to shape, and from shape here stroke, and in the stroke here you can give the color whichever you want, but I'm going to give it the green color, and the width will be 10 dp, and we have below the stroke corners, and it will give the radius, and the radius will be 10 dp. Yes, it looks amazing. Here it will be the type of the button, and it's over. For the buttons the design is over. Now we will add the button over here. Button, match parent, wrap content, from the top it will be almost 500 dp, because it should be at the bottom, almost the bottom of your page. And from the right it will be 15 dp, and from left also 15 dp. Text all caps, false, and the padding will be of 20 dp. Text size will be of 30 sp. Text size is of 30 sp. The background, this is the background. It's not but just the design which we have created for a button, and we will add over here. Yes, the button will look like this when in your Android Studio page, and the text will be, I'm not adding this text subscribe for me, but it's for you also, because the YouTube has given a button named subscribe below the video, because I am telling it to you, because you have to just remember to just press that button, so you can get this kind of videos according to your demand, and you can just write the error or the difficulty you are getting in your Android Studio project while doing the project. So I will give my best efforts to solve that error. So we will now give it an id which will be helpful to us in when we will program it in main activity.java. The id will be subscribe underscore ptn. Yes, now we will go in the main activity.java. Over here private, button. Yes, and over here we will name our button subscribe button. equal to find view by id, and that id will be helpful to us over here, and that id was subscribe btn, add a semicolon, and now here subscribe button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and over here we will write our button name, subscribe button. We have to create a field in the main activity. Now just change this private to public. Yes, and over here intent equal to new intent, and here main activity dot this, and button dot class. Button dot class, and over here a semicolon is required. Now this much long statement is not required, it's okay. So button dot class, and after that start activity, and inside it intent. So yeah, the process of adding a button is over. We will try to run it. Hope so that it runs successfully. The emulator, don't know why it's taking much time. The install is running. Yes, it's successful. So yes, so if you like this video, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel in TechCode as written over here. Please do this all so I will be able to successful to bring you more videos